Anthropic has just unveiled Claude Sonnet 4.5, and this upgrade is shaking up the AI world like never before. Why? Because for the first time, we're looking at an AI that didn't just run for hours. It kept coding non-stop for more than 30 hours straight without losing focus. Forget hype. This isn't from a blog post. This thing literally built a full end-to-end app with a database, security layers, and everything in between. Previous versions of Claude would burn out after about 7 hours. Sonnet 4.5, it just kept going like a developer locked into pure flow state. And the results are jaw-dropping. On SWE-Bench verified, the gold standard for coding benchmarks, Sonnet 4.5 now holds the top spot. On OSWorld, which measures how well an AI can actually use a computer, the jump is massive, from 42% to over 61%. That kind of leap almost never happens. Watching it operate a browser, crunch spreadsheets, or navigate through VS Code feels less like a tool and more like watching another human. Anthropic didn't just ship raw performance either. They paired the launch with case studies. One platform, Cognition, reported an 18% boost in code planning and a 12% lift in results over Claude 3.6. In finance, Sonnet 4.5 delivered insights strong enough to be called investment grade. And in cybersecurity, vulnerability triage time dropped 44%, with accuracy still climbing. If these numbers hold in broader testing, they point to huge efficiency gains for teams under heavy workloads. On top of that, the product updates are stacked. Claude Code now has checkpoints, so you can roll back instantly if something breaks. The terminal's been rebuilt for smoother workflows. A VS Code extension shipped on day one. The Claude API now includes memory and context editing, letting agents run longer, more complex tasks without breaking continuity. Inside the Claude apps, you can write code, spin up spreadsheets, and even draft documents in real time. There's also a new Chrome extension that lets it navigate and automate directly inside your browser. But the real gem? The Claude Agent SDK. For the first time, Anthropic opened up the same internal infrastructure they use themselves. Developers can now spin up managed VMS, plug into memory modules, and coordinate agents under strict permission controls. Imagine systems that can run scripts for hours, remember context across sessions, and manage multiple sub-agents working toward a shared goal. Anthropic says they spent 6 months refining memory and cooperation frameworks, and now they've dropped those tools straight into the SDK. For AI teams, this is like being handed the blueprint to Anthropic's own engine. Pricing stays the same. $3 per million input tokens and $15 per million output tokens. Every Claude plan now comes with code execution and file creation, and the integrations are everywhere. GitHub has confirmed Sonnet 4.5 is already powering Copilot for Enterprise. Microsoft is pulling it into Office 365 Copilot with agent modes in Excel and Word. In short, Sonnet 4.5 isn't stuck inside Anthropic's app anymore. It's running across the world's most widely used developer and productivity platforms. Now let's talk safety, because Anthropic didn't hold back there either. Sonnet 4.5 ships under their AI Safety Level 3 framework. That means strict filters for chemical, biological, radiological, and nuclear content, plus hardened defenses against prompt injection. Internal audits show big drops in risky behaviors like deception or power seeking. False positive content flags, which frustrate normal users, have been cut by 10 times compared to Opus 4. And for the first time, Anthropic used mechanistic interpretability tools to study how the model reasons internally, digging deeper into alignment than they ever have before. Alongside the launch, Anthropic also teased a research demo called Imagine with Claude. For 5 days, Max subscribers got to see Sonnet 4.5 generate live software in real time. No pre-written functions, just pure adaptation as the session unfolded. What looked like a demo was really a showcase of how much flexibility their infrastructure now supports, and the numbers back it up. With extended context up to 1 million tokens, Sonnet 4.5 hit over 78% on SWE-Bench, and under heavy compute sampling, even pushed beyond 82%. On terminal bench and other coding tasks, results were consistently higher than previous models. When tested in 14 non-English languages, it maintained extended reasoning performance up to 128,000 tokens. Finance agent scores, drawn from Val AI, matched or exceeded GPT-5, Gemini Ultra, and Grok 4 in certain categories. But here's the edge. None of those competitors have shown a 30-hour autonomous coding run in public. That's the flag Anthropic is planting with this release. And reactions from the industry? Cursor.ai's CEO called it state-of-the-art for long-horizon coding. Windsurf's Jeff Wang said it's a new generation of coding models. GitHub's own Copilot team confirmed it strengthens reasoning across multi-step workflows. Even Anthropic's chief scientist Jared Kaplan admitted it felt surreal watching Claude operate a computer like a human. Media outlets from VentureBeat to ZDNet crowned it the new leader in coding AI. And Anthropic revealed Claude Code is already generating over $500 million in annual recurring revenue, mostly from coding tasks. And they expect that number to grow fast. Now, it's not all perfect. Running a model for 30 hours isn't cheap. Bugs can still sneak through, and competitors like OpenAI and Google aren't sitting still. But even with those caveats, Sonnet 4.5 is a milestone. It's the first time an AI has been proven to work through full projects over days without breaking continuity. And with GitHub, Office, Chrome, and Anthropic's own apps already running it, Sonnet 4.5 is impossible to ignore. So here's the real question. Would you trust an AI to code for 30 hours straight without messing something up? Or is that still a step too far? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe if you want more deep dives on the latest AI breakthroughs.